Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are of course connected to the date and time, but they are set automatically. Unfortunately we cannot manually tap on date time and the time zone, they are inactive. So first of all what we have to do is to simply tap on those switchers to simply turn off the time and the time zone which are set automatically. They are no work based, and now we can freely tap on date. As you can see from this calendar, we can pick the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, but this time from the clock we can pick the time, tap on OK, and it will be immediately set. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see there was a misclick, but basically this is how it works. Here we've got the full list of available regions, so basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick, for example, the Turkey. It is set, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As far as I remember, we've set 12, I think so. So this is how it looks like and how it works. What's more, you've got the option use location to set time zone. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. And the time format, right now we've got the 12-hour format set, which is kind of default one, and if you want to set 24-hour, just tap on the switcher here and it will be set, of course, again. Alright, so basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, and if you'd like to get back to the previous options, so use the automatic options, just tap on those switchers here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.